Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. In our last class, we have started Unit 5, A part, the storied house. We have seen that Bayaji, a Dalit, left his native village to work as a laborer in the dockyard of Bombay. After reaching the age of 60, he returned home hoping to settle into his ancestral village. And he was also keen to demonstrate to his village community that he had done well and was successful. He wanted to use his life saving to build a house. Now, children, let us continue with the lesson now. Get ready with your textbook, page number 138. Exchanging pleasantries with people he met on the way, Bayaji reached the public building called Takya in the untouchable settlements. The building was named Buddha Vihar by those who had embraced Buddhism. As Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar, the children who were playing with a ball made of rags finished their game and cried, Baiju Nana is here, Baiju Nana is here, and scampered in the direction of the Bayaji's house. Bayaji's 85-year-old mother quickly scrambled to her feet. She had aged much, but her old worn frame was still sturdy, and her teeth were strong enough to break grams. She could thread a needle without help. When she heard of Bayaji's arrival, her heart swelled. As Bayaji came in, his wife concealed her joy with the end of her sari and took down the box from his head. His grandchildren clung to him and began to twist the folds of his dhoti. The neighboring children watched the scene in idle curiosity. The old woman came forward, poured some water over the piece of bread in her hand, moved it around Bayaji's face and flung it away as an offering. She ran her palms over his cheeks and pressed her fingers on her temples. All 8 fingers gave out a cracking sound. Bayaji's family was doing well. He had 8 children in all, 6 sons and 2 daughters. The daughters had been married off and had given birth to children. The elder son looked after the fields. The next 2 sons were in the government service. The one after them was a school teacher, and the 6th one was still studying. Since they knew that Bayaji was coming home for good, the elder son in service had the 2 daughters were ready home to greet them. All of them wondered what their father had got for them from his lifetime earning. The next day, when Bayaji opened the box, it revealed only some pots and pans, nails and photographs. Looking at this, the elder daughter said, Nana, how is that you haven't brought anything for us? Bayaji was amused with their attitude and told them if he had brought the new clothes, they would tear, and if he had brought them an ornament, it would soon wear out. He said that out of his earning, he wished to have something that will last longer. His eldest son was godly. He said, neither they nor their wives want anything. Bayaji told them that he wished to build a storied house out of his earning. They were all happy with his decision. The plan was finalized and the foundation of the storied house was laid on the auspicious New Year day. So children, I hope you people have understood this lesson. We will stop here and will continue in our next session. Now it's time for you to take down the homework. Please take down your home assignment. Write the answers for these questions and send on my personal window. Thank you.